Hey everybody, this is Will. I'm going to go over my Solar City install. First here you have two 10 kilowatt inverters with the DC shutoff down here, main inverter here, and a Zigbee antenna here that communicates inside with a device connected to my router. Here is the second inverter. Here is the load center. Let's take a step back so you can see that. Next to the load center you have the solar shut-off switch there. Then the main breaker for the house. The Tesla gateway. My net meter and main electrical panel. Now going back, you'll see that the main panel has conduit coming into the top and also on the side. The one on the side is now not being used because it's coming in from the top now. So the power comes in from the meter to the gateway, from the gateway to that main breaker, and then up, over, and back down to the main panel. Now to get into the gateway you have this conduit which comes from the main shutoff switch here, and then from there power gets into that from the load center. This is where the 3 power walls and the solar breakers are located. So you have the inverters, load center, shut off switch for the solar and power wall, breaker for the house, the gateway, net meter, main panel. And I'll be posting another video soon that goes more in depth on all of these. See you later.